I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the quest menu immediately. This gives an overview of available goals and prerequisites. Tap the quest icon, then use the filter tabs to show active, daily, or completed tasks so you focus only on relevant objectives. Look at rewards and requirements first, seed types, tool level, or time limits, because you want to accept only what you can realistically finish. Once done, mark priority quests and close the menu to begin field work with a clear plan. You now inspect each quest detail to understand the how and why behind tasks. Open a quest and read objectives carefully. Look for specific plant stages, locations, and any time limits so you don't waste resources. Make sure the quest lists exact item counts and shows progress bars. This helps you plan harvests and planting order. Once you know the sequence, prepare seeds and tools accordingly, and set timers or reminders so tasks line up with crop growth windows. You execute the quest by following objectives in order, starting with any harvesting, then planting and fertilizing as required, and finally using the quest report or turn-in button. Move efficiently by using quick action buttons and hotkeys so repeat steps don't slow you down. If a quest won't progress, make sure the required items are in your inventory and filters aren't hiding objectives. If problems persist, relog or restart the client to refresh the quest state. That one troubleshooting tip fixes most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.